A prayer in faith for God's protection. Pray then like this: Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. For who is God but the Lord? And who is a rock except our God? This God, his way is perfect. The word of the Lord proves true. He is a shield for all those who take refuge in him. What then shall we say to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? Put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the schemes of the devil. Be strong and courageous. Do not fear or be in dread of them, for it is the Lord your God who goes with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous man runs into it and is safe. The Lord will fight for you, and you have only to be silent. No weapon that is fashioned against you shall succeed, and you shall refute every tongue that rises against you in judgment. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their vindication from me, declares the Lord. So we can confidently say, The Lord is my helper. I will not fear. What can man do to me? You are a hiding place for me. You preserve me from trouble. You surround me with shouts of deliverance, Selah. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word. You have given me the shield of your salvation, and your right hand supported me, and your gentleness made me great. You gave a wide place for my steps under me, and my feet did not slip. Preserve me, O God, for in you I take refuge. But I will sing of your strength. I will sing aloud of your steadfast love in the morning. For you have been to me a fortress and a refuge in the day of my distress. But you, O Lord, are a shield about me, my glory and the lifter of my head. Amen.